Adam, you need any help?
Hey everybody, it's that time of year again, so let's go ahead and put all our best and funny moments into a compilation. Is that how you pronounce it? So hope you guys have a good laugh and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Red team marshals! Red team marshals on me! You're getting in the pit!
You'll keep the tooth, you'll just have a massive bruise on it.
Yeah.
He didn't always hit. Shame. Can't it?
Oh,
that one was weak. That was better.
The bird just fucking shit on me. Oh. Was that one of you guys?
That was the third BB which hit you.
Oh, stop.
This is your spot?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just fun.
Wow, we've done a full circle. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Well, mind you, you don't have to call surrender. You don't have to call surrender. Alright, come on. Do you rock, paper, scissors?
Paper, scissors.
Come on.
No, go ahead.
Okay, rock.
Hang on, if I lose anyway, I'm gonna get fucking shot. I'm just gonna go
Rock,
separate ways.
okay, rock, paper, scissors, go. Okay. Rock. Oh god, rock, paper, scissors, go. Right, mate. Right, come on lads, let's just keep moving. Luke, give me your side off. We're live.
NATO doing a fucking execute mission.
Loaded, yep.
Go.
Alright, nice meeting you. Oh shit. What's the fucking safety on these things? That's how you do it. Ah. Follow the reds.
They ain't shit.
They ain't shit, boy.
Ain't shit.
They ain't shit, boy. You get the guy by the mouth. Oh, there's the guy right literally on his corner.
Shit. Oh, that's my impact.
Oh, that's yours.
Ah, thank you.
What's the crack here?
If you shoot me, I'll drop it. So I'm just gonna go this way, and I'm just gonna do this.
No, we got one firing.
Huh? Oh!
Fucking airline popped off. One more.
Oh my god.
Who's on the box then?
Here, come on guys, hit!
Goddamn thing's got it! What fucking got it? Goddamn thing's no, I didn't know what around! Wait, wrong
Shit! Bang! Crossing! Bang! Oh!
Pushing left as well.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck's sake!
Shit. Bad smoke.
Yeah, bad smoke. We got concealment though.
Hotel, this is Alpha. You are on a public footpath. You need to come back up the trail to where the fork in the road is at the top of the hill, and RV with us. Over.
I'm over.
Good minute.
Blues, move up!
I hear a vehicle!
Ooh! Ice cream? Where the fuck are they going?
They're going round.
It's not a fucking ring of roses. What the fuck?
You can set this up.
Yes. Do not touch both sides of that thing, okay?
Even more ball.
Oh my God, good massage. Oh, I just want to make a bit of medicine. That's. Why does that sound so weird? Okay.
Bring the leg up and put it on my knee.
What is that?
Put your leg up and put it on my knee.
What the fuck? What is that doing this at all, huh? What the fuck? Oh.
Hey Dad, happy birthday.
I nearly cooked that.
Really short and fair.
Fucking hell. That's probably from previous events.
This is raw meat.
Friendly's above, friendly's above. Is she moving on? No, they're not. They're coming round. Wait, I count 7.
They're moving down but away. I don't think we should engage.
Adam, need any help?
Both radio ups down, both radio ups down. The VC got you. Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Oh, he's good.
Go, VC! Take it down!
Oh, he tried.
We traded that as well.
Hello, mate. How's it going?
Your business today, where you up?
Right now I'm in a battlefield, mate. Shit in hell.
Oh shit, oh swear. How's it going?
Yeah, we're under fire. Enemies are very close. Oh shit, ground! Running right! 3 entered this building! 3 ground floor entered the building!
There's no way you will be back.
Yeah, man. I mean, fuck it, you called me, I'm gonna answer.
No, I was gonna ask you. You put your submission for the VP.
Yeah, what, the submission we did like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you actually submit in your folder?
What, for VP?
Yeah.
Everything. I did a drive link.
Oh fuck! I didn't do it.
Why? Sorry. Jim, I'm trying to have a phone call here. Wow. Right, what's up? Was that answer?
My project file.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ah, gosh, yeah, that should be fine. Another one entered the building!
Go do your thing. Go do your thing. I'll call you later.
Alright, mate, I'll call you around probably 6, 7-ish. Alright, mate, have a good one. That's something you don't do every day.
Right, we have a lot at the back of the building.
Buddy, you're gonna have to leave the building. Stop right there, you're gonna have... It doesn't matter. Hey! Back off him! Touch the gun, you will be shot! So get out! Out the building now! Deep! Fuck your
We've just had to forcibly remove one civilian from the front right side of the building. They're starting to get a bit aggressive.
This is I can see at least 7 boxes being taken up to Corona. Over.
This is Alpha. We can push up the main track and force them into the ambush if you want to. Over.
Tactical Caprice on, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Which one is it though? Which one is it?
Orange.
Oh, there we go.
Do you think my guy Luke's gonna fucking get some fucking knockoff fucking flavour?
No, I'm just saying, I just go with blackberry or all like that. But nah, it's gotta be orange.
Didn't want to shoot you that close.
Hey! Fucking team killing, man!
What's that stairwell as well?
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Ow! Dead.
Oh god, they crushed his ribcage. Oh Luke. Yeah. You're gonna have to censor so much fucking breathing on my camera. You're the only one. Other side!
Lions!
Right outside the door!
Head!
Shit him out.
Hit! I'm here!
Hit! Hit!
Luke,
Yeah.
it's just me and you, mate.
Oh shit. One down. Fucking hell. Do you know when the cavalry's arriving?
Huh?
When's the cavalry arriving?
Not a fucking clue.
We got friendlies on the top.
What?
We got friendlies on the top.
Are we sure? Apparently we've lost it. I find it unlikely it's still alive.
Yeah.
Right.
That's the sound of Luke's pistol.
Yeah. We've still got friendly second floor then.
I'll trade you, but...
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Boys, give me a sit rep. What's going on? We got guys making entry. Hostile.
Yeah, downstairs.
Oh fuck!
Oh! Fuck! Yes.
Fuck me! Good shot. You sneaky bastard.
Double check there, just be sure, but I'm pretty sure.
Friendly. What team?
Tell me.
Task force.
Alright then, that's alright, task force, yeah?
Task force.
Get out.
Right.
Yeah.
To secure we will.
You've got to say that.
Yep, you fucked us down, mate.
Someone's got to say it. It's got to be the cliche.
No one's got to say it. Yep. You're the scapegoat.
Up here now.
Yep. You're the scapegoat now.
Here after that one.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's just evil. Ah, it must have been the wind. Oh, wait a minute. Must have been the wind.
Push, mate.
Oh,
That's a flank. Told you chasing that. Twice I've got down there now.
well fucking played, lads. Prop man, what am I doing?
Basically means like, if it goes wrong, right, so I'll be at your side. If we were having a meeting now, I've got a fucking weapon at them the whole time, okay? And if anything goes wrong, you grab me, you do that.
No, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Okay, the idea is that you're using your body to protect me. Okay, so
I am not being fucking prop
there
man,
you
what the
are,
fuck?
one.